Exercise. Go. Fly. Wow. Good. Good, Bulbul baby. Practice. Practice flying here. Yes, very good. Higher, higher, higher. Go higher. Here you go. Here, here. Come here. Come here. Very good. Come here. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Come here. I'm here. Don't worry. I'm here. Don't worry. Yeah, you can come. You can come here. Yes. Slowly, slowly you come. Here at least. Yes. Good. Good job. Wow. Such a cute, smart baby. You're not silly, okay? You're a very smart baby. Wow. Wow. Good. You can practice here, okay? It's safer here. Outside, there's so many predators, especially Silvite. Don't poop. That's my pillow. And it's a new cover, okay? Hey, cutie. Yeah? You like piano? Yes. Under AC, it's feeling very happy. Like Silvite only. Oh my god, door is open. I'll close the door, wait. So cute it is, see. Sleeping. It closed it. Sorry. Chop. Oh? Yes. Go. Show me your skills. What you learned today? You're self-taught. Go. Exercise. Here. Come. Jump here. Hey baby, jump here. Jump here. Here. Hey, jump here. No? Enough exercising? Enough? You want food? It's not hungry. Otherwise, it opens its mouth. Why are you not hungry today? There's so much food here. Hey, what? You want to tell me something? What? At 4 o'clock. Hey, boo. Kushla cute hai. Kushla cute hai, baby. Very cute. I'm so lucky to have you. How many times do I have to tell you? I'm lucky to have you. Oh. Bird song? Who taught you this? Who taught you this? You had a bath? I didn't have a bath. Because of you. Because I have to watch you. Once you go to sleep, I can have bath. What? Its body temperature was too high. Its body was too hot. Thank God. I put it under AC. Calm down here. Then we'll go down, okay? At 4 o'clock, at 5 o'clock. When it's not too hot, we can go down. Okay. If you want to poop on that plastic, okay? Not here. I'll keep your chair here. Understood? You sleep here with me. You sleep, I'll sleep. We'll take a rest. Okay. Your mommy, papa, they're not coming. Once they give you a call, you can go. Okay? They came and they went. They didn't even look at you. Maybe you're full. Maybe they fed you too much yesterday. That's why. Mm. 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 Okay. Cute.